Today's story is about this rusted out Philippine Navy ship that is in the news. So why is it on this channel? Regular viewers will recognize that this is a World War II landing ship tank because you've watched my videos on the USS Overton County or the USS Washtenaw County. In 1942, the Missouri Valley Bridge and Ironworks Company opened in Evansville and built 167 LSTs. It employed over 19,000 workers. LST-821, the USS Harnett County, was completed in September 1944. Completed ships would travel down the Ohio, then the Mississippi, and through New Orleans on their way to the Gulf of Mexico. Evansville is also the home of the LST-821 Memorial. If planning a visit, check the calendar first, as it is an operational museum that occasionally takes a show on the road. 821 had a relatively short career in World War II, earning 1 battle star. She was assigned to the Reserve Fleet in July 1946, was later renamed the USS Harnett County. When the Vietnam War started, the Carrot, Hunterdon, Jennings, and Harnett County were retrofitted to support 2 Huey helicopters and 16 PBRs. No, not that PBR in Vietnam. Patrol Boat River, fiberglass-bodied boats that were used to patrol the rivers of Vietnam.
The ship is 2 miles from the mouth of the Cochin River, 2 miles from the place her real work begins. Navigation here is dangerous.
In 1970, the USS Harnett County was transferred to the Republic of Vietnam and renamed Mai To. It continues to serve as part of the river force until April 1975. During the fall of Saigon, over 30 ships left Vietnam as refugees bound for Subic Bay in the Philippines. In exchange for accepting the refugees, the Philippine government would keep the ships. This picture of Subic Bay was taken around 1960 by my father. I put it in here to see if he's paying attention. The USS Harnett County was renumbered to LT-57 and named the Sierra Madre. It is one of the few United States vessels to fly the flag of 3 countries. Shortly after the Japanese surrender in World War II, China published the 9-dash line, which claimed most of the South China Sea as Chinese waters. The line fell within 200 miles of the Philippines and has been disputed by many countries. To lay claim to the region, in 1999, the Philippine Navy intentionally grounded the Sierra Madre, creating a military outpost in the Second Thomas Shoal. Territorial disputes rarely go away. The Sierra Madre is still on Second Thomas Shoal today. There's currently increasing tension in the region, with China making it difficult for resupply missions to reach the vessel.
The United States Defense Agreement with the Philippines is ironclad. Any attack on the Filipino aircraft vessels or armed
The Sierra Madre is an unmaintained 80-year-old vessel. Soon it will collapse into the sea. Will it be replaced by another ship or a permanent structure? We'll have to wait and see. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you next time.